Dear students, see a new topic 14, Dual nature of radiation and matter. Page number 1. See here introduction. We have studied various optical phenomena like reflection, refraction, interference, diffraction, and polarization of light. Light is electromagnetic radiation. From the most of the above phenomenon, the light is considered as a wave. We know the wave nature of electromagnetic radiation in other regions like X-rays, gamma rays, that is in bracket in this way gamma is written gamma rays, infrared rays, ultraviolet radiation, and microwaves apart from the visible light. Question number 1. What is electromagnetic radiation? Electromagnetic radiation definition. See here, the radiation which consists of mutually perpendicular oscillating electric and magnetic fields, both being perpendicular to the direction in which the wave and energy are traveling. The spectrum of blackbody radiation, which cannot be explained by using the wave nature of radiation. Such phenomenon appears during interaction of radiation with matter and need quantum physics to explain it. The idea of quantization of energy was first proposed by Planck to explain the blackbody spectrum. Scientist Planck proposed a model that says number 1, energy is emitted in packets, and number 2, at higher frequencies the energy of a packet is large. Planck assumed that atoms behave like small oscillators that emit electromagnetic radiation only in discrete packets. In bracket, capital E is equal to N into H into nu, where nu is equal to frequency of oscillator. The emissions occur only when oscillator makes a jump from one quantized level of energy to another lower energy. This model of Planck is the basis for Einstein's theory to explain the observations of experiments on photoelectric effect, which will be studied here.